71 years old. Ito ang lifespan of an average Filipino. Pero ang retirement age sa Pilipinas ay 60 years old. 11 years na lang ang matitira sa retirement years mo. But what if there's a better way? What if you can retire earlier? Let me let you in a little secret. Para makapag-retire kayo na maaga, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and follow the golden rule of finance. So ano ba ang golden rule of finance? Spend less than what you earn and invest the difference. I know, madaling sabihin pero mahirap gawin. Tama ka doon. Pero ang misconception kasi ng mga tao ay kailangan para makapag-retire na maaga, kailangan malaki din yung income. They think kapag malaki yung income mo, tapos na rin yung problema mo, makakapag-retire ka na maaga. Meron tayong tinatawag na hedonic threadmill. Ang ibig sabihin ng hedonic threadmill is, as your income rises, your expectations and desires rises as well. Ang ibig sabihin, kapag tumataas yung income natin, tumataas din yung lifestyle natin. So, nakaka-cancel out din yung paglaki ng income natin. Dahil yung mga gamit na binibili natin, mas mahal na, syempre, kaya na nating i-afford. So, karamihan sa mga tao, kahit na lumalaki yung income nila, hindi naman nadadagdagan yung ipon nila. So, if you want to fix your finances, we have to work on what you have now. Ang ginagawa ko sa pagbabudget is the 50-30-20 rule. Meron pala akong video sa budgeting, i-click nyo lang dito. Ang 50-30-20 rule, to summarize, is 50% sa needs, 30% sa wants, and 20% sa investments. Madali lang, di ba? Pero bakit ang dami pa rin hirap sa pera? So let's ask Warren Buffett. He's one of the most successful investors of all time. And currently, he's the 4th richest man in the world. He only has 2 rules. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Ang common mistake na ginagawa ng mga tao is they put too much money in savings. Aminado ako, ganun din ako in my 20s. So, nung nagsimula ako magtrabaho, lagi sinasabi ng magulang ko, kailangan ko mag-ipon. Anak, mag-ipon ka. So, ako naman, syempre, sinusunod ko naman yung magulang ko. Nag-iipon naman ako. As an OFW, kapag nasa abroad ako, ipon lang ako ng ipon. Pero kapag nagbabakasyon ako sa Pilipinas, parang nauubos agad yung ipon ko. So, I'm back to zero. So, ganun nga lang ang cycle. Yung iba naman, hindi nila sa bangko nilalagay yung pera nila or yung savings nila. Yung iba, nilalagay nila sa alkansya, nilalagay nila sa ilalim ng kama, sa vault. Kahit nga ilagay mo sa bangko yung pera mo tapos hindi mo ginagalaw, you're losing money every year. Paano? Dahil sa inflation. So, ang average inflation is 2% per year. So, yung 1,000 na naipon mo this year, next year, 980 na lang yun. You're losing money. Kailangan ilagay natin yung pera natin or yung ipon natin sa isang investment na nagbi-beat ng inflation. Mistake number 2 is bad investments na nagpapanggap na good investments. Ano ba tong mga to? Jewelry, luxury items, MLMs, variable life insurance and index life insurance, at iba-ibang get-rich-quick schemes. I'm not saying that they are scams. I'm just saying na kapag nilagay mo yung pera mo dito, hindi mo na ma-maximize yung potential ng pera mo. It's true that every investment has risks. Kapag sinabi ng isang tao na no risk an investment nila, run away. Run away. Because every investment has risks. Ang ayaw ko sa mga investment na to, kung matatawag natin silang investment, is they have high risks, low returns, and high fees. And disclaimer lang, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. Kung plano nyo pa rin mag-invest sa mga bagay na to, just make sure to do your research and tread carefully. So for me, I want to keep everything simple. So I follow the golden rule of finance, which is spending less than what I earn I invest the difference, but I only invest in things that I understand. Kapag masyadong komplikado, hindi ako nag-i-invest. So, ano-ano ba ang investments ko? First is securities. Index funds, bonds, and individual stocks. Pero karamihan ng investments ko is in index funds because it has the lowest fees. Kaya mas malayo ang mararating ng pera ko. And it's less riskier than individual stocks. Number 2 is government savings program. We have our own government savings program. I think sa Pilipinas, if I were in the Philippines, I will invest in MP2 and pera. Number 3 is real estate. I think this is my favorite investment dahil nagagamit namin siya as tax deduction and then tumataas yung value niya. And then natitirahan pa namin siya. Isa pa lang yung rental property namin pero malapit na namin siyang matapos bayaran and then nag-iipon na rin kami sa second rental property namin. Halimbawa naman is wala pa kayong enough na pera para mag-invest sa real estate. Pwede rin kayong tumingin sa REITs. Ano ba yung REITs? REITs is Real Estate Investment Trust. Isa siyang company na nag-i-invest sa iba't ibang real estate and then imbis na bibilin mo for example yung isang bahay, right? Kung wala ka pang pera pang invest, you can buy a share sa company na yon at bibigyan ka rin nila ng dividends. So in the next videos, just let me know in the comments below. I can discuss it further kung interesado kayo sa REITs. So kami ni Andrew, marami kaming mga side hustles. We sell t-shirts in Amazon and meron din kaming video production company. Maganda rin yun because for example, bibili kami ng camera na dideductin namin yun sa business namin. Just be careful. Maraming lalapit sa inyo na nagpapanggap na small business. Lagi niyong tatandaan, ang small business is business na sinisimulan nyo. You can control the price. You can do whatever you want. You don't have a boss. You created that small business. Kapag merong company na nagsasabi sa inyo kung ano yung pwede nyo gawin at hindi siya small business. Honestly, kaya ako nag-decide na gumawa ng mga financial videos is marami akong napapanood at nababasa ng mga Filipino financial YouTubers or mga Filipino bloggers and articles. And they push bad investments. I did the math and it really doesn't make sense. Kapag nakikipag-debate ako sa internet, konti lang yung mga taong nakakabasa. So, sabi nga ng asawa ko, why don't you just create a video para yung mga makakapanood is ma-educate sila. Wala akong plan na magbenta ng mga courses because I believe that information, lalo na yung financial information, is very important. Kaya dapat libre. And I think kapag nagbibigay ka ng financial information and then after that, meron kang ibang agenda, parang may conflict of interest. Yung mga investment na sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi naman ako kikita doon kapag binili niyo yung mga investment. I just wanna make sure that you have the power or you have the knowledge on how to retire early. Sound investing is not complicated. Complicated investments make money only for those selling them. Yeah. So that's the reason why I want to share this free information with you. And from now on, yung mga susunod kong videos is about finance. At the end of the month, I will show you my portfolio in detail. So this is just an introduction kung sasabihin nyo na masyado naman general yung knowledge na sinasabi ni Elaine. Don't worry because I will go into detail at make sure sabihin nyo rin sa akin kung ano yung mga gusto nyong videos na gawin ko in the comments below. So I know this pandemic affected a lot of people, lalong-lalo na sa Pilipinas. And I really want to help. So I will choose one person every week in the comment section and papadalahan ko ng 1,000 pesos via GCash. So make sure you comment this, and if you think makakatulong or may gusto kayong tulungan, please share this video and tell them to leave a comment. I will do it via drawing and then I will announce it in my next video. In my next video, I will tell you how I saved my first 5 million pesos and how long it took. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and remember, invest more and keep it simple. Bye!